We thank you for joining us here on Wilderness Weather. I'm meteorologist Thomas Guth right here on the afternoon of March 15th, 2026. It's a cool, cloudy, breezy day here for Central Virginia, but all that is going to change as we head on into tomorrow due to a severe weather outbreak that could occur across Virginia and portions of North and South Carolina as well. And what we've got going on today is this area of high pressure here up over the New England coast is pushing some winds out of the northeast, giving us some cooler temperatures and clouds. But as we head on into overnight, that area of high pressure is going to move offshore, and this warm front is going to work its way across our area, which will bring us some showers as we head past dark this evening. And that's behind that front. Temperatures are going to hold in the 50s out ahead of that front. Behind that front, we're going to have some strong winds pumping out of the south towards this area of low pressure here over the Great Lakes, and that's gonna allow our temperatures to rise as we head throughout the night. Temperatures will be in right around 50, right around the mid 50s as we head past sunset. But behind that front, they will rise to about 60 degrees by sunrise tomorrow morning. We'll keep rising throughout the morning, and we'll peak in the upper 60s to right around 70 degrees. And this cold front that's pushing in here, it's causing some severe weather out here in the central part of the U.S. today. But as we head on into tomorrow, that's really going to bring us a chance of some significant severe weather tomorrow. Now we've got a moderate risk here, which is a 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Doesn't happen in Virginia super often. This is the first time since 2023, August of 2023, that we have a moderate risk here in Virginia. So that's all to be said. Please take this situation pretty seriously. We've got some the main concerns with this system are um, damaging wind gusts, possibly 65 to 75 miles an hour, and even an isolated tornado. And as it heads off into the Piedmont, it could even turn that into a tornado outbreak as well. So please stay tuned on that. And this extends from Columbia, South Carolina, all the way up to Baltimore, and even this enhanced risk, the 3 out of 5. You definitely want to just keep monitoring the weather tomorrow, all the way from Georgia up into Pennsylvania, and even the slight risk all the way from Florida up into southern New York there as well, upstate New York. So stay tuned on that. I'll probably make a weather video tomorrow as if a tornado watch is issued, and if this risk does end up getting upgraded to a high risk, definitely going to monitor the situation closely. Now let's take a look here at the weather models, what we got going on here. So you can see this line of storms out ahead of this cold front here, working into Kentucky as we head on into the overnight hours. It'll cool off a little bit. It'll not be quite as strong as we head into the morning hours tomorrow. And like I said, we could have some showers overnight out ahead of that warm front there. But as we head on into the afternoon tomorrow, now this is looking about 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Or I'm sorry, this is 10 a.m. actually tomorrow. And as we head on into the late morning, early afternoon, some storms could develop out ahead of this front. Now, the ones that develop out ahead of the front are more likely to produce tornadoes because out ahead of the main line, because they have more access to the warm air being pumped in out of the south, and the warm humid air is what is going to fuel these storms to go. Now, you can see here as we head on throughout the afternoon, this line is going to keep working through, and along the line is where we really want to watch for those 65 to 75 mile an hour wind gusts. So, stay tuned, especially if you have trees in your area that could fall, and just damaging wind gusts in general. Now behind that, it could very well end up being like what we had on last Wednesday into Thursday, where there's a pretty big temperature swing, and it's looking like could end as some snow showers late tomorrow night behind this front. Uh, but please stay tuned once again, and be thinking as you head throughout the day today. Don't worry, but just be thinking about, where would I go if a tornado warning is issued for my area, especially in the Virginia Piedmont, but areas like Richmond, Lynchburg, all the way up towards Fredericksburg, Culpeper, even up into D.C., and certainly the North Carolina areas like Raleigh, Durham, that area. Just be thinking about, where would I go if a tornado does happen, interior portions of your house, away from windows. So yeah, just please stay weather aware tomorrow. We'll be keeping you posted here, Wilderness Weather. Thanks, and have a great and safe evening.